Let's see how much it costs to fix my phone here in Mexico. So the phone screen popped off. But my Mexican friends told me that if I take it to a cheap shop, it's a high risk that they might steal my parts. But guess what? I already went there, so it doesn't really matter. Because if they were, they probably already stole some parts. I just want to get this working. I don't really care. You're a freaking hater, man.
Deja de estar hablándome así, Voy a chingadas, sigues con tus pinches tonterías.
Sí, tú eres
Tú
un
eres la que
hater.
estás... Pues deja de estar con tus tonterías, porque pones de malas.
Con mis
Ya
que.
escuché todo el pinche camino al Senche.
¿Cuánto cuesta para reparar el teléfono? Me quitó el de arriba. Sí, está bien. 750.
750.
7, 5.
¿Vale?
750.
7,
Ah, sí,
750.
750.
Ah, ok.
Ah,
Sí.
¿Qué?
No, si quieres que sí se lo arregle. ¿Sí, no?
Sí. In total, to get this bad boy working, it's only 750 pesos, which is $40. But last time I went over here and they charged me $1,000. I mean, not $1,000. They charged me 1,000 pesos. So yes, it's way better right here where I just went. So here it is, brand new.